7 weirdest brain disorders you never knew about. It's 2021 and mental health is real. Mental health conditions affects millions of Americans. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, that is NAMI, it is estimated that at least 1 in 5 adults in the United States experiences mental health concerns each year. Almost 7% of American adults had at least one major depressive episode in the past year, and more than 18% experienced an anxiety disorder. Disorders like anxiety-related disorders, OCD, and depression are relatively well understood, with mental health professionals readily available in the field. However, some conditions are so rare that it is not only difficult to diagnose but also difficult to treat. Can you imagine suffering from a brain disorder that causes you to think that you can shapeshift? Or that everyone else in the world is an imposter? These conditions are terrifying and can be traumatic to live with. On that note, in today's video, we have introduced you to 7 of the weirdest brain disorders. Keep watching. Number 1. Eptemonophilia, also known as impute identity disorder or body integrity disorder. Eptemonophilia is one of the weirdest brain disorders and mental health concerns to ever exist. According to Medscape, eptemonophilia is a neurological disorder that is characterized by an overwhelming desire to amputate one's hands or legs. Much is not about this disorder, but is believed that the cause is neurological and that it may be caused by damage in the right parietal lobe of the brain. What is challenging and terrifying about eptemonophilia is that people experiencing it often do not seek help. Number 2. Alice in Wonderland Syndrome. Remember the fantasy book we all loved as a child? Yes, there is a brain disorder related to it, also known as Tourette syndrome. This syndrome causes one's surrounding to appear distorted. In the books, just as Alice grows too tall for the house, people suffering from Alice in Wonderland syndrome see objects bigger or smaller than they are. People experiencing Tourette syndrome lose the sense of velocity and textures. This terrifying brain disorder, which has been compared to an LSD trip without the euphoria, can even pervert one's body image. However, luckily, Alice in Wonderland syndrome is extremely rare and in most rare cases affects adults in their 20s who have a brain tumor or history of drug use. Number 3. Boanthropy. Another weird brain disorder is boanthropy, or the disorder which makes you believe that you are a cow. Although rare, people suffering from boanthropy act like cows, often found in fields with other cows, walking on all fours and chewing grass. They believe themselves to be a member of the herd and thus behave like one. Often, they don't even realize what they are doing. Researchers believe that this weird brain disorder is caused by strange dreams or hypnotism. It is also believed that boanthropy is even referred to the Bible, as King Nebuchadnezzar is described as being driven from men and did eat grass as oxen. Number 4. Capgras delusion. Named after Joseph Capgras, a French psychiatrist who was fascinated with the illusion of doubles, the Capgras delusion is one of the strangest brain disorders. Capgras delusion is a debilitating mental disorder in which the person believes that the people around him are replaced with imposters. It is a delusional belief, and the person suffering from Capgras also thinks that the imposter will harm him. Capgras delusion can occur in patients suffering from schizophrenia, dementia, traumatic brain injury, epilepsy, etc. However, Capgras delusion is relatively rare. Treatment for Capgras delusion includes antipsychotic drugs and medicines. Number 5. Alien hand syndrome. You may have heard about the alien hand syndrome in books and movies, but this mental disorder is hardly limited to the world of fiction. Although rare, the alien hand syndrome is characterized by a belief that one's hand doesn't belong to oneself, but that it has its own life. People suffering from this syndrome experience a complete loss of their limbs. This syndrome can occur in patients suffering from damage to the corpus callosum, strokes to the parietal lobe, or patients with Alzheimer's disease and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Unfortunately, no cure exists for alien hand syndrome yet, and those affected by it are often left to keep their hands constantly occupied or use their other hand to control the alien hand. Number 6. Diogenes syndrome. Diogenes syndrome is not only one of the weirdest brain disorders, but it also the most misunderstood one. Also referred to as hoarding, it is named after the Greek philosopher Diogenes of Sinope. The Diogenes syndrome is characterized by an overwhelming desire to collect seemingly random pieces of the item and form an emotional bond with them. In addition to uncontrollable and overwhelming hoarding, those with Diogenes syndrome often exhibit extreme self-neglect, apathy towards themselves or others, social withdrawal and no shame for their habits, low self-esteem, etc. It is very common among the elderly, those with dementia, and people who have at some point in their lives have been abandoned or who have grown up in an unstable home environment. Treatment for Diogenes syndrome includes therapy. Number 7. Clover-Bucy syndrome. Last but not the least, we have one of the weirdest brain disorders, the Clover-Bucy syndrome. You must have heard about this one in TV shows or movies and books. It is a scary mental health disorder characterized by memory loss. Those who suffer from Clover-Bucy syndrome have the uncontrollable desire to eat inedible items and have a strange sexual attraction towards inanimate objects. They also have trouble recognizing people or objects they are familiar with. This terrifying disorder is difficult to diagnose and seems to be the result of severe injury to the brain's temporal lobe. Unfortunately, there is no cure for this syndrome yet, and those who suffer from it are affected for the rest of their lives. These were 7 of the weirdest brain disorders to ever exist. That's all from us today. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.